Tired of searching for the best AI avatar? Hey guys, my name is Olivia and I am not real. I know, right? It feels impossible. But don't worry, Arthur will teach you all the its and bits required to get your own personal AI model like me.
Welcome back, Brainiacs. My name is Arthur, and in today's bite-sized lesson, I will teach you step by step how you can make your personal AI avatar or model. I have divided this video into 4 easy-to-follow steps. Let's get started. Time to flex those mental muscles with another bite of brain power. The first step is to generate your avatar. Now, I want you to be creative here and generate a model that is extremely unique. I will be using a tool called MidJourney for generating the AI avatar. Now, for those of you who don't have a paid subscription on their platform, you can use a free alternative called Blue Willow. Blue Willow is pretty similar to MidJourney. You can see the results yourself here. I will leave both their links down in the description. Now, before you skip this part and tell yourself that you are a pro at generating images with MidJourney, let me tell you this. I will be sharing a finesse technique that I have been using to generate ultra-real avatars. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. The first prompt that I love to use is this one. It generates an ultra-real image that looks decent and can be used as an avatar easily. Also, I will be leaving all of these prompts in the description down below so that you can achieve the same results. Now, if you are still not impressed by these images, here is another prompt that you can use. The most important keyword here is in the style of video feedback loops. This instructs the AI to generate images that can be used specifically as an AI avatar. And here you go, we have a beautiful avatar right in front of us. The third prompt I have here on my list is my favorite. I have been using this prompt for ages, and it generates the best pictures in my opinion. Well, the images are here, and I want you to be the judge and tell me which prompt's result did you like the best in the comments down below. I really like this image right here, and I'll be using this for the rest of the tutorial. Just save this image on your computer, and you are ready to move on to the next step. Now, since we have our AI avatar ready, it's time to generate a script for our AI avatar. Now, for generating a script, I will be using ChatGPT. Just throw a random topic and ask ChatGPT to write a funny and engaging script for your AI avatar. Here we go. ChatGPT has done a terrific job, and I really like the script. You can play around with this for a while by giving it different options to generate the script. Once you have the script that you like, it's time to move on to the third step. But before that, I want you to pause this video and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out my top 20 AI tools I'll be revealing after testing 200 of them. I have selected the best gems available out there, and I can't wait to share them with you. Now, the next step involves giving a voice to our AI avatar. For this step, I'll be using a tool called WellSaidLabs. This is the best AI voiceover tool in my opinion. Now, to register yourself on their platform, you need a work email. For those of you who don't have access to a work email, I have a cool trick for you. Head over to any temp mail website and get an email from their platform. I'll be using this website to get a temporary email. Now, you can use this email directly on WellSaidLabs. Once you have signed up on their platform, you can now start creating a voiceover for the script you just got from ChatGPT. I'm going to choose this voiceover artist here. I really like her voice, and it suits our character the best. Here is the generated audio.
Good evening, everyone. I'm so glad to be here today, talking to you all about one of my favorite topics, Andrew Tate.
I absolutely love this. Just download this and get ready to bring your AI avatar to life. Now, before I share the last step with you guys, I want you to like the video so that I stay motivated to make more videos for you. Now, to bring our AI avatar to life, I'll be using a tool called HeyGen. Just head over to app.heygen.com. The link will be attached in the description as always. I want you to select this avatar tab right here from the left side of the screen. Over here, just click on Upload Talking Photo and just upload the photo of your AI avatar that you generated using MidJourney. Once your image is uploaded, just head over here to the Talking Photo tab and you will see your character listed over here. Just click on this image and select Create Video. This will take you to their AI editor where you will be able to play around with the different settings and bring your AI avatar to life. I want you to select the Audio Script tab right here and then upload the voiceover you got from WellSaidLabs. Once everything is set, just click on the Submit button on the top right. Now just grab a cup of coffee and let the AI work its magic and bring your avatar to life. And here we go. Our final video is ready. Let's watch it together.
Good evening, everyone. I'm so glad to be here today, talking to you all about one of my favorite topics, Andrew Tate.
I am extremely impressed by how good these AI algorithms are getting. Anyways, this was Arthur. Keep learning and see you in the next one.